Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be just a quick video. I've got these 3 Tamiya kits, which is one of these is going to be my next project. So we've got the Toyota Hilux, the Land Rover Defender down there, and the Mercedes. So I would like you guys to pop a comment down in the description below and tell me which vehicle you'd like to see me build next. You can put down in the description if you would like it to be a more detailed build or a bit of a quicker build, so there's sort of less videos, and I'll cut a lot of the sort of individual build time and do jumps rather than do an individual rather than do a detailed build on this one. And once we've decided which vehicle we're going to do, we might have a selection of colours that we'll choose from, and whichever vehicle we pick, then obviously we can then have a little vote and see which colour we're going to do them, whichever vehicle it is that we pick. Thank you for watching. It's just a quick video, and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.